Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Xbox Series navigation lag including dashboard freeze and slow response issue.
Fix 1. Restart your Xbox. Step 1. Press and hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds. Step 2. Wait until it fully turns off. Step 3. Unplug the power cable for 1 minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Clear cache. Step 1. Turn off your Xbox completely. Step 2. Unplug the power cord from the back. Step 3. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then reconnect and power it on. Fix 3. Check for system updates. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System Settings. Step 2. Select System Updates. Step 3. If an update is available, install it. Fix 4. Free up storage space. Step 1. Go to Settings, System Storage. Step 2. Delete unused games or apps. Step 3. Keep at least 20% of your drive free. Fix 5. Disable background apps. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, open Guide, My Games and Apps. Step 2. Highlight an app, press Menu, then choose Quit. Step 3. Close all unused apps running in the background. Fix 6. Reset console, keep games and apps. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Console Info. Step 2. Select Reset Console. Step 3. Choose Reset and keep My Games and Apps.